The opening ceremony of the sports competitions for students of various colleges of the district regarding the 7th Sindh College Games was held at Government Boys Degree College, Nusharo Firoz. Member Sindh Assembly Mumtaz Ali Chandyo was the special guest of the ceremony, while the ceremony was held under the chairmanship of Regional Director College Education Shahid Benazir Abad, Muhammad Suleiman Sial. On this occasion, Member Sindh Assembly and Director College Education inaugurated the sports competitions. They inaugurated the ceremony by playing football and cricket. Addressing the ceremony, Member Sindh Assembly said that I am very happy to see these sports competitions today. He said that such sports competitions should be organized not only once a year but every month. He said that the promotion of sports instills positive thinking in young students. In nations where sports fields are built, hospitals are deserted. Therefore, sports are very useful for a healthy life. On this occasion, the Sindh Assembly member assured to include the development projects of Pure Block and Solar System for Government Degree College Nusharo Firoz in the next year's annual ADP. The ceremony was inaugurated by cutting the ribbon, while during the ceremony students of different girls and boys colleges presented sports competitions including tug-of-war, 100-meter race, cricket, football and other games. Addressing the ceremony, District Games in charge Bashir Ahmed Bhuyo said that 5 boys and 7 girls colleges of the district are participating in these games. He said that there is a shortage of sports fields in the colleges of the district. During the ceremony, the guests were presented with traditional Sindhi gifts of ajrak and topi.